And it's a whole lot of links that you build for your, I mean, your website, and you rank in no time. So this is how it works. You can initiate a new campaign. Remember, this is done for you. We have other SEO terminology tricks, like when it's about WordPress, we can talk about Yoast SEO, which is also a free tool, but you have to install a plugin and understand how to use it in WordPress. That's We can also look at it with respect to the ELTC platform because it's purely WordPress. Did you notice that?
What did you say? Web what? It's purely what?
WordPress, like
Oh,
yeah.
WordPress. Okay, gotcha. Okay, understood. That's the platform.
You're familiar with WordPress, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So the ELTC, the website that I got from them, per my analysis, is built with WordPress. I don't know about yours.
It's the same. WordPress as
Great.
well.
So in WordPress, we have plugins like Yoast SEO, and other plugins to do the search engine optimization. It's kind of quite different from this, even though the concept is the same, because we will look at keywords, we will look at the URLs. You know what URL is, right?
Yes.
Great. So, and then we will look at the content basically. So here, the Done For You suite has simplified it in four main steps. So you in the first step, we're gonna give our campaign a name. This is just for us to identify that this is the campaign that in this platform we will name it to identify it. You get my point, for a reference. So let's just say we want to rank your website, which is this one, Love Like Goddess. So let me see. I just want to be. So this is the name, Love Like Goddess, and I can rank URLs. I should rank this
Oh, you get the rank right there, huh? Cool.
right there. Yes. I can rank also the services, because in Google, you can rank not when you are ranking on Google. We have the index. There are other stuff like, let me see. For instance, when I type here media creation agency, so this leads to my website. This leads to my website. All these are leading to my website.
Hmm.
Okay. So, however, sometimes if you don't rank it well, the first will be one company, the next will be another company, you know. Yeah,
Oh. So you're making
that's
sure
how.
that your rank takes up at least the first, not
Exactly.
the top link, but the first like 5 or 10 links are your
That's
web.
correct.
Oh
That's
my
correct.
gosh. Oh, I can't. I'm so happy you're showing me this. You're a genius.
So I'm ranking the home page, which is the main URL, your domain name, and then the other page is the service page, and we can do about us. All right. Now we have to look at the keywords. Okay, so keywords. Let's rank not contact is equally important,
Keep
because
the
with the
keyword.
contacts they're calling you.
Let's do like Reiki, sound therapy, and hypnotherapy because those are the actual services that I offer.
Say again.
So let's rank Reiki, sound therapy, and hypnotherapy. If you go onto the website, under About, there's other sub About pages. So hover over About, and then those three are the ones that are the
Okay.
actual services.
Okay. So let me say this.
Yeah, Reiki. The other one is what is sound healing?
Hmm. I just want it to be in a sentence case, so I'm typing again. Is the spelling for Reiki correct?
Correct. Good.
So this is a keyword in the area of review. Okay, like someone trying to understand what Reiki is.
Yes.
We can also um, do a keyword for someone who is looking for a Reiki company, a company that renders Reiki services in your area, right? So we can say um, you are at Los Angeles, right?
Yes.
Is it the spelling?
Um, just change the O to an E. Perfect.
Los Angeles Reiki Reiki. Can we say Reiki shop or Reiki home
Put Reiki services.
services?
Yes.
Los Angeles Reiki services. Great. So I'm trying to let you have an understanding of what we mean by keywords.
Ah.
Okay, so keywords basically what the person will type on the search engine so that they will get the result that they are looking for. In plain words, that's how I can explain. But keywords that you want to rank for, you can enter multiple keywords. So this is just telling you how the platform works here. Just type and press enter. Niche such as casino, gambling, sports. Okay, we don't. This platform does not allow such keywords to be ranked. But I think Reiki is accepted. And then we rank the other service, which is includes
Hover
sound,
over the about sound
sound healing, and then
and there we go.
hypnotherapy.
This is very helpful. I'm so happy you're showing me this. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. So we've placed about 5 keywords, which is kind of good. Let's go to the next section. So
Okay.
here, the system, I mentioned earlier that content is the main drive for creating your backlinks and hence ranking your platforms on search engines. You know, so this system has the artificial intelligence that creates content for you, and you can create a content based on a specific niche. So you select the niche, or you can choose to allow the system to create a content based on the keywords you have provided. Okay, so normally what I do is when I'm doing the ranking and there is no um, niche aspect what I'm doing, what I would rather do is allow the system to create the content based on my keywords. Okay, so I would like to see if perhaps we will have some of your content here. It's related to health. No, I'd rather use the keyword because it should be more specific. Okay, we can also choose to rank in other languages. Let's just say you live in a community where they speak Spanish. Also, you can choose to rank in that language. But for now, let's do English.
Okay.
Then normally we also have to make use of videos because people lately watch videos more than they read. So we have the option to create the video content also. With the video content, if we have as a business, we have a YouTube channel or something, we can put a URL of that video here. Do we have any for God, Love Like Goddess, any video commercial or something?
Not yet. I'm
Not
still,
yet, not yet. Don't
yeah.
worry. So we're gonna create one soon and rank. But likewise, we can, yeah. So we will not do video for now. Again, here we can rank on Google, you know, maps. Not only the search engines, but you can rank on the maps as well, the map aspect. So this is for that purpose. Are you on the Google Maps? Have you
Yeah,
registered your, yeah, so
I am. If you
you
type,
can just,
I can give you the link for the map location if you like.
yes, yes, just give me that link.
Okay.
The link should be like this, the iframe.
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
give me just a second. It should come up when you type Love Like Goddess Reiki, but I don't know if it's different for mine because I'm in Los Angeles. You might have different, rankings for the businesses. Right.
Okay.
All right, here it is. Actually, the location is also in the contact of my website, but
Contact.
yeah, the map and on the map. There it is. If you click on map or directions, whoa. Or if you go to click maps instead of directions,
Okay, okay, yeah. Just a moment.
just the map link. Yes, there we are. There.
There we go. So I'm gonna paste this here. And we can add the business name. So I think I should have them. So far we've just been doing copy and paste.
I'm sorry. So far,
I'm
what?
saying so far we've just been doing copy and paste. Did you notice that?
Yeah, I did.
Hmm.
But it's about copying and pasting the right thing, you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I've entered keywords, but they're keywords I think will work. But now that you're showing me the right keywords, you know, I mean, that very,
Yeah, so there are about 7 major ways as prior to introducing you to keywords, we'll come to understand the various ways. Then we will look at our your business, what really you want to achieve, and choose which one is the best. For me, I'm also new to your industry, so I'll have to have a little knowledge so that I can give the best keywords. But generally, this is how ordinary people look for keywords. I mean, look for services online based on the location, and then they put the service name. So the system, once the system has detected the location, then irrespective in the keyword, it can come before or after the word, you know. So that's one aspect, the location. And also if it's products like phones, mobile phone, TVs, they want to review cameras, they want to know how the focus, the lens, what is good for them, the quality of that camera. So they look for reviews, So they will say maybe Panasonic, Samsung phone or iPhone 13 Pro Max review, and then they'll get the videos on that. So we'll, we'll tend to understand the keyword pertaining to your industry more, and then we'll create another content after today's session. Okay,
okay.
great.
And also, I want to let you know I have to go at around 10 o'clock. Unfortunately, I have a doctor appointment. I wish I
Okay,
could, but
so
I definitely, if you have time, I'm happy to continue if you think, if you're open to that. If there's more to show me later, you know?
so you'll be going in the next 10 minutes.
In the next, like, I can leave in like the next 15 minutes, but maybe
Okay,
10 to
that's
5. I'm
yeah.
sorry.
So today, that's okay. So today is good. I introduced this to you. So then we will monitor it. The next session we will continue to do the rest. Okay.
Okay.
So I just want to copy this. All right. So I will try and create a video commercial for your YouTube or something so that we can rank video for you as well. Okay.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much.
All right. So
And if, I don't know if there's something I can do for you in regards to help you with, the grassroots marketing, because I don't know if you have a business where you meet
yes.
people in person, but I'm heavily focused on the in-person marketing. So
Okay.
if there's anything I can help you with that, or, I could do a
Right.
trade for one of my services or something like that for your time. I
Okay.
appreciate it.
Right. So with time, I'll discuss with you more of this. Is one of my projects that I'm running,
Hmm.
and it's a business listing. Okay. So it's built with artificial intelligence with the Google Maps. If you are found on Google Maps, I can easily import you onto this page. Um, Trying to create jobs for the youth in my country so
Oh,
that they will work for these businesses who are found on the maps who are not doing it well, so that I'll train them in SEO and web design, and then they can do same.
wow, that's so great.
Thank
Oh,
you. Great. So
good.
I'll quickly finish this with you, then we'll talk about that in other sessions. Yeah.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So here we are looking at the number of backlinks we want to build. Okay, quality links. The drip feed is the number of days that we want it to be running. So 500 links should be run within 14 days plus 2 weeks or something of that sort. I'll just be quick because we must go. And finally, we are here. So we are going to achieve this once we create the campaign. So I've just created. So campaign has been created within um, 2 weeks. We are expecting this to be completed, and then we will see our report. Okay. So this all that you do in respect to this platform when you want to do SEO.